First, we color his entire body blue. Make his super big.
That's scary.
For you. How to bold text using a keyboard shortcut. Sounds great. Put it on. Take 10 seconds. What's the keyboard shortcut that folds? It's a real nifty feature. You use it.
Gummy bear squishy. I'll give him $1,000. I get to choose their breaking tool.
Damn, I can't stop rubbing and gooping.
You can't sit back down because there's juice on the
Breaking tool.
Oh, look at what I'm breaking with.
Bear deodorant holder.
What is going
Warn you guys, their phones were being spied. Click on this icon and on more. Immediately, 5 women half-eaten and buried under the tree.
Where is this?
I think this is in the States. So Bob Ross painted it and titled it "Happy Little Accidents." Why is that such a sus name, right?
It's so this other page is like also like, oh,
There's another one that's like betrayal and grief. There's different titles. But the theory goes that every single painting that he's done is a clue, that exact location of where he.
The most powerful supers in the world. After Syndrome launched Project Kronos, he began stalking the old Glory Days supers and killed them one by one using his Omni droids. While he couldn't find Mr. Incredible's exact location, he sent Mirage to spy on Frozone, but she spotted Frozone with a fat man